Good afternoon, folks. This is Rick with Travel with Rick and D, and of course, my lovely wife Dee is filming. We've been waiting for a week or so now, and finally, the camera system that we decided to pick out for outside security is the brand new Blink XT2. And the difference between this and the old one is this has two-way audio. What you get with this is you get the camera, you get the two lithium AA batteries, you get the mount, and you get the controller, the cable, and the 110 into the USB so that you can run your Blink, your controller, which you need 2.4 gigahertz on your Wi-Fi to be able to run these off of Wi-Fi. Now we're going to tell you why we bought one separate one and then a pack of two. Inside here you have another controller. This controller controls both cameras. So when you set it up, you can make it from 10 o'clock until 6 in the morning. You can make it from dusk to dawn. You can do it 24 hours. This has two cameras controlled by one controller. This one has one camera controlled by its own controller. So say I want this one set up for 24 hours and I put it over the door over here, up on the top of the RV, I can shoot down from my door entrance all the way down the driveway and all the way out into the street. That is the reason why I didn't buy a 3-pack. I bought a 1-pack and a 2-pack because you cannot set all three off of a 2-pack controller. You can't have this work separately off of this. Like I said, the XT2, the new one this year, it's got two-way audio. That's the new thing. 2-year battery life with a AA, and you can only use lithiums. Do not use other batteries because outside in the heat, they will explode and destroy your camera. You have day and night HD coverage, which records on 1080p, and during the day with infrared HD night vision after dark. No monthly fees. You pay no monthly fees for this. Once you buy the cameras, they're great. And Amazon has picked up the product, so they must think it's pretty, spiffy. Mobile detection, motion detection, customization, and this also works with Alexa. If you have Alexa, you can have Alexa tune in to your devices. So they are here, which means at some point I'll be putting them up. So what I'm going to do is put them up in the morning, and then I'll show you the clarity and how we set up the controllers, so you'll have some idea how to do that. And then on that part, our outside security will be completed. So if you like what's going on and you want to see everything else that's got anything to do with this and comment, please hit the subscribe button and the bell, and tomorrow I'll get into all the rest of this. Howdy folks, and welcome to Travel with Rick and D. Before we get into this, hit the subscribe button, tell us you like it, hit the bell, and I'm going to go over what we need to do to actually connect the module, sync it to the camera, and our Wi-Fi, which here is blinking between 2.4 gigahertz, and 5. You need a minimum of 2.4 to run the camera. So first of all, this is the module. This module controls just the one camera. I have 2 other cameras I put up that have their own module. That way you can control the time on and off and schedule your other 2 cameras when you want them to operate. The one at the back door, that one operates 24 hours a day. So let's get into it. When you get these, they come with a mount. I bought extra mounts, but I did not use it for this camera. You connect the module first by putting in the lithium batteries into the camera, and then with the codes inside on these, you'll have a code here and a serial number, which I will blank out. You do all of this and follow the prompts on the app. The app is very simple. It's got to be if I can do it. So I was saying before, these instructions are very easy to follow. You follow the setups. Tells you how to get started, what you need for a phone, download your Blink Monitor app, connect your sync module, which I just showed you up here, add your batteries, and connect your camera, which is connected the same way as your module. From there, you should see your camera come up, hit the enable button, bada boom, bada bang. We had an issue with ours with the Velcro, and how I fixed it was I bought a 2-inch PVC cap, put it on the back, super glued it around, and put a new piece of Velcro on, because the Velcro didn't fall off the side of the fifth wheel. The Velcro fell off the camera mounting system due to the fact there's no flush piece. So by putting that 2-inch PVC cap on there, sanding off all the letters so you had a flush surface and a little roughed up, we are back in business. You go to the app, which is this one right here with the B in it for Blink. Hit the app, hit the home button. There you go. That's what the outside is looking like right now. You can look down our driveway. Our steps to come into the fifth wheel are right here. This looks around the driveway, past the vehicle, and off our front yard. And this thing is like a mirror. So if you can't see anything that's directly in front of you, look in the fifth wheel, it'll show you the whole side yard. And on that note, that's one camera that stays on 24/7. Now this has the ability to talk to people when they're outside. What you do is you hold the talk button down and say, "Can I help you?" And through the bottom of the camera, it will say, "Can I help you?" outside. And you can adjust the volume inside with the Blink app. You come over here, discard, close, come over to here, and it'll tell you everything that it is. Enabled, trigger time, sensitivity, clip length, how long you want it to be, end of clip rate, if There's no motion. Night vision automatically. IR intensity, I have it set at medium. Speaker volume is almost at high. Video quality standard. And then it'll tell you the last time it updated the system. All in all, I think this is a good deal. So, if you're interested in a home security system, look up the Blink XT2. On that note, that is it. And we will see you on the road, and I hope you like these videos, especially this one. This one's pretty informative. Have a great time out there. Again, see you on the road.